I don't want to get too psychological on this, but given top Bichon Frise Christmas tree lights funny dog Xmas gift t-shirt how high she was and that she was still immediately able to tell how effective. Top Bichon Frise Christmas tree lights funny dog Xmas gift t-shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Tank top, V-neck, hoodie, sweatshirt. I don't know the skit, but the movie The Lobster. Top Bichon Frise Christmas tree lights funny dog Xmas gift t-shirt does something very similar to a husband-wife. Got an old guy 17 that shits. Other products.